Okay guys, this is an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro. I like how they chose to show the back instead of the screen, since that seems to be the only thing that's really new with the design. But here we go. Little green pull tab there. I got the 64 gig. And here it is. Now, as far as the detail, I love how there's like a little indent. Even the camera section has a little indent. I also love that they went with the black box instead of the original white. Throwback. So let's just... Ooh, clean. Super clean. And over here, you see how they have the camera dent in the cover for an extra protection. Gotta love the attention to detail here. And I also love how they like displayed it with the back too, not like, you know, basic front like this. You know what I'm saying? Like okay, you know, now it's hard to get it out. Here you go, you just peel it off right here. Oh, I love this texture. Some people say it's slippery, a little more slippery, but I don't know. I have the iPhone 10, so I didn't get the 10s. I waited, so this is the reason why I got this phone. If I had the 10s, I probably wouldn't have got this phone. So let's see what else is in the box. Headphone jack and the charger. Lightning to, let's see, I love how they have it hidden, like surprise. Yeah, we are also going to be testing out this charger. See how fast the charges, see how much fast the power drains of the iPhone. We're going to test all that out. Books, stickers, guide, plain old white basic stickers, and your SIM injection tool. Let's get back to the phone and fire it up. Now this is not going to be a really review. Let's see if we get some juice. Oh, we do have some juice. Now I pre-ordered this on Friday, not at 5 in the morning like crazy people. When I woke up at like 10 on my way to work, I ordered this. And I just got it actually today. Let me set it up and we'll be right back. Here we go after we set it up. Once again, another look on the phone. Now I did get a screen protector and a case. Stay tuned for a video on those. I just want to show you guys something. The screen brightness is not even all the way up. Let's put it up all the way. Crazy. See if my camera can pick up on it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's bring in my iPhone 10 password. And we are going to put the screen, oh, the screen's all the way up. So here's a difference between screens. Not much. I mean, this one is definitely more vibrant, I feel like. Has more brightness to it. Let's see if you can pay attention to the details here. Yeah, this one is definitely more color, more vibrant. Around the blue right here, you can definitely see, and the reds. Here's a sneak preview of the upcoming video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned.